Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. What's going on? It's kind of a quiet day. Dollar yen rallied up a little bit. It's kind of to cool off. The key point in dollar yen right now is 147, like 76. If it closes below that, it's actually showing some weakness. So let's start off with good old euro dollar. I told you on the weekend update, a real important point was 117.52. By closing below it, we're actually showing that the 118.34 has become like the main level of resistance right now. And clearing of the breakdown of the 117.52 is actually opening up 116 like 30. Now, okay, we have a little bit of a retrace right now upward, but really that's a line in the sand that we got to be really cautious with. That's actually showing that the euro dollar can get some weakness. Now, what does that mean? Well, it all depends on what dollar yen does. If dollar yen also um, kind of comes off a little bit. Dalian's major resistance points 148.90. But we're down 100 points away from it. Doesn't mean it can't go there, but it's really looking at the euro yen cross, and we'll get into that in a second. But as it, this is just conjecture right now, for the simple reason that euro really hasn't moved in either direction. But I'm just telling you that the 117, say 52, the close below that on Friday kind of showed some weakness. I could be completely wrong. I mean, if it breaks up through 118.34, closes above it, then it's a chance to run back to that 119.18 high. But historically speaking, that we broke that level is actually showing some weakness. Let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. Um, got a little bit of recovery in sterling dollar. These points are still good. What we get down to 135.43. So it's got to get above 135.14 to show any type of strength, and it's got massive resistance at 136.11. Um, not being able to get through this breaking, if we do break through, say the low bars close, 136.61 again, we're opening up like 130. I would say 134 the figure, and then 133.80. Let's move on over to good old dollar yen. This one's the interesting one. All right, so dollar yen we made a new high at 148.37. Came off a little bit. The main point right now in dollar yen is 147. I'll go right here. I'll go right to this low. It actually hit the point. If it turns down, I'll go to a 3-hour chart. Let's go to a 3-hour chart right now. 3-hour chart. If we get down through this bottom, we could potentially going down towards the 147, say 49 level at first. Really, I got a point at 62, 149.62. Close below that actually drives us down to like 147.35. So Italian not doing much. Um, I'm actually shorted at 147.94. I'll see what happens up at 148, like 12. If it goes up there, I may close it. But I'm thinking that we can drift down to 147, 55, 60, maybe. We'll see. Let's move on over to good old sterling yen. Sterling yen. Where's my sterling yen? Hmm. Sterling dollar. Okay, we did that one. Let's just change it to sterling yen. Yes, sterling yen. Okay. So went down to 199, 198. It's like 80, right? We had a bit of a movement down, right? Where we go down to 199.20. Hmm. Um, it's got to get over like two. It's the same damn level. It's got to get over like, okay, that's close enough. 199.97 to show some strength. Um, until then, we're just tracking in between, say, 199.20 and 200. That's basically it. A break of 200, we could actually start to drift back up towards like 238 again. There's going to be resistance up for sure up here, 253. For sure, there's going to be resistance there. All right, let's go over to good old Euro Yen. Here's Euro Yen. Okay. It's a daily chart. Let's go down to 3 hours. Okay, here we go. Okie dokie. So, yeah, like, okay, so this figure level, 174.00, is the important point. Um, Now it already broke it, came back down towards 170, 173.50-ish. So what do we get down to? 173.48. This is the pivot point, 174 the figure. Um, Obviously resistance 174.44, support right now 173.65. If 173.65 breaks, we're opening up our way to like 173.12 again. Um, I see a lot of resistance up here. I wouldn't really be a buyer of it right now because I'm thinking the yen gets a little bit stronger. So I wouldn't really be buying, euro against the yen right now. All right. So that's what I got going on for you guys in the lovely world of Forex trading. If you like what you see, give a like and subscribe. Don't forget, get yourself a free ebook in the description. And remember, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.